Big update for Cineyx AI Studio. Your favorite AI assistants, ChatGPT and Claude, can now control the entire studio. Characters, videos, everything. Let me show you how it works. Let's start with ChatGPT. With their new interface, you simply go to Settings, navigate to Plugins, and search for a new plugin. Add a custom tool, paste your personal Cineyx MCP server link, and authorize the connection. That's it. Your studio is fully integrated. Now, let's see how it works with Claude. The setup is just as fast. Open your profile settings, head over to the Connectors tab, and select Add Custom Connector. Paste the exact same server URL. Connect, and Claude instantly becomes your autonomous production assistant. Let's test it out in Claude, shall we? You can seamlessly interact with your studio data, like checking your AI energy balance or pulling up your recent projects. Now, let's ask Claude to generate a new cinematic concept art of a futuristic film director. Claude communicates directly with the Cineyx engine, and your high-res image is delivered right here in the chat. And what about ChatGPT? Let's push the limits. After checking our studio balance, we'll generate an image and immediately instruct ChatGPT to turn it into a 6-second cinematic video. You just type the prompt, and the integration handles the heavy rendering in the background. No switching tabs, no downloading files. Just pure, uninterrupted creativity. Cineyx AI Studio. Your reality, your rules.